Getting out of a parking ticket with content-aware fill. So we have this wonderful beach sheen that is ruined by this terrible tow away no parking sign. How awful. That's our reason for getting rid of it. It's obstructing the view, of course. So we'll just use the polygonal lasso tool and create a selection around this terrible sign. And make sure to include the post and the shadow from the post. So we want to make sure that we're blending the pixels appropriately there. And then we'll go to Edit and Content Aware Fill. And it looks like mission accomplished. And notice it's on its own layer. So we'll call that no parking, no more.